wish you could just stay in one moment?
Sometimes taking a leap forward means leaving a few things behind.
Promise I'll never forget this.
You better not.